Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a lighthearted fun painting here today. I have a simple drawing there on the bottom of some mountains with a Sharpie marker, and then on the top here I am using a pastel blue from the White Nights. And I'm going to put that all over. I have two different shades here. I have the light blue and the dark blue from their pastel lines. And the exact names were, the deeper one is the royal blue, and the lighter one I think was the celestial blue. And here I'm just using a flat brush. This is my bigger Princeton brush. And I'm going to smooth out some of the lines. And then I'm just using the same two colors, and I'm just putting little bits down in the mountains where the shadow areas are going to be. For the clouds up top, I doodled a little bit with my Posca pens, but if you don't have any, you can use some white watercolor, or maybe if you have some brush pens. And they were a little bit see-through, which is good because they're clouds, but I did want them to be a little bit more opaque, so in the end I added some white gouache. And here comes the fun part. I decided to put sprinkles coming out of the clouds because it's just something fun and lighthearted, and it's nice to let your inner child come out and play once in a while. So I have like a hot pink and some yellow, a little bit of turquoise, and a few different colors there. I'm just going to go back and forth and have them coming out of the clouds and sprinkling a little bit down on the mountains. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.